Hi everybody, this is Mary from Stampin' Camp with Mary and Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is Tips and Techniques Tuesday. There is a new stamp set in the catalog. It is one that you definitely need, especially if you like doing calendars for everybody at the end of the year, for the new year. If you like doing birthday cards, things like that. It's called Days to Remember. Let me bring this up so you can see it all. It has a calendar, or a big calendar. It has days, it has all of the month, a day to remember, don't forget, happy birthday, it's your day, and then some little other ones that you can decorate the calendar with. Now, I saw this and I knew I had to have it, but I was scared of it. Because look at this, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and it was like, how do I use that? What, how does that go? So, I will tell you the first things you want to do and want to have. First off, you will need the Stamparatus. Now, you can do it without the Stamparatus, but let me tell you, it's not as easy. You will also need a calendar, because you need to know, let me get my calendar here. You will need to know what days go where, especially if you're doing a calendar. And so I have June out. I have the 8th, and there are a couple other days in June. And then I wanted to make a full calendar, which I haven't done yet, but I'll need all the June, July, August, September, October, November, whatever. How many days, how many months you want. Okay, now here is the card I made. This is a cute little card, and it's got the birthday circled. So you can stamp, and you'll probably need some Post-it notes. At least I use the Post-it notes just to keep things in order, okay? So you can also use, you can use just regular note paper, copy paper. You can use your cardstock. This is Whisper White, but you could use any color cardstock or designer series paper, or you can use stamp on your Post-it notes. You need these to be at the minimum 3 by 3, okay? I also have cut up, for my Stamparatus, have cut up a Simply chamois that I use just on my Stamparatus. Now for ink, you can use spots. You can use, and I was shocked at this, I didn't think I would be able to use a full ink pad because I was really scared of it. I will show you how to do that. Or you can use your Stampin' Write markers, okay? So what I will do is, first off, this is all set up for June already, okay? So I want to set it up for, let's say, July. So I'm going to take the June one off of here, and I am going to put, because I want to know how, I could probably do it by doing just the grid lines here. I got a piece of grid paper, the small grid paper. Let me move, sorry about the head. Okay, so I am going to take off the June and put July, where is it? Where are they? Oh, there. Put the July on. Okay, I want it up. Now I want the days of the week, so I want to put that in the middle. And in the middle of 3 is 1.5, so I'm just doing that on the grid paper. So I want to put the days of the week. So I want to, there are two different ones. One Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then Saturday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And so I want to put that one on. And then now what I want to do is I want to find out where July 1st is. So July 1st starts on a Thursday, okay? So I'm picking up this really huge one, and I am going to lay it down. So July 1st is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. July 1st is on a Thursday, okay? And I'm just going to lay that down. Now, if you want to do two different colors, you can. And then just pick these two up or whatever colors you want to do with one of the plates, and then the dates with the other plate, or however you want it. I'm going to use the same color here. So I'm just going to pick it up just like that. Okay, now I want to see, I'm going to bring it over here, and I want to line it up. So I'm going to bring this down just a little, so it's right there. And I want to line these up so they're on the grids here, so I know they're going to be straight, okay? Then what I am going to do is I am going to do a test run. Make sure your grid paper, you can use your magnets up here, whatever you want. Make sure your grid paper is right in the corner, okay? Then I am going to, now I'm showing you how to ink it up with a regular ink pad, okay? So I'm going to open it up. Now you would think that you would just ink it up like this. Here, let me bring it over. You'd think you just ink it up like, you know, this, but you don't. You want this side, you want the small side to ink it up. I'm going to turn it because I need to see it a little bit better, because you want to bring it, if it's all going to be one side, you want to see, okay, I want it over here. And I'm just going to ink it up that way. And see, it does exactly that, what you need to have it inked. Bring it up to the top and just try to center it. And if you can center one side, the other side. Now, again, if it goes over on one of the others, just take your Stampin' sponge, your chamois, simple chamois, and clean it off. But I'll tell you, it won't, if you use a 3x3 or just under a 3x3, you won't notice it. Okay, again, make sure that it's in the corner. Let's just use, one of the things to make sure it stays in the corner. Okay, so now I'm going to and there's how it's going to look. So I want this to be, it's just a plain piece of printer paper. I'm going to put that over. I'm going to hold that on, because you want it in the same place. Just hold it on with some washi tape. And again, ink up. Oh, my June. Ink this up again. Now again, if you want to do different colors, say you want a special day red, then you can use your Stampin' Right markers and just, you know, either do this whole thing like that again, And I don't see anything wrong with that. Oops. I did do it. Where is it? And just because it's a little off, I may cut that off a little bit. But now I have my July. Now what you want to do, if you want to do all 12 of the months, and so they're peel off, do them all, put them all together, and then you're going to use your liquid glue on your mat, on your craft mat, and you're just going to run that, dump that in just a fine thing of liquid glue, all 12 of them, and then they will peel off. Okay, but there's July. And again, you can do everything else you want with that. You could do it without that. Let's say I have a July 4th birthday, which I do coming up. Someone has a July 4th birthday. And so I want to do red, white, and blue because he's July 4th anyhow. And again, I want it there. So I am going to let me take so I am going to go over here and I am going to use real red for July, Monday, Tuesday, and July 4th was actually a Sunday this year. And where is my blues? Let's use Pacific Point for the blue. And again, you're just going to go over and I just want to go over that 4 again just to make sure I've got enough red on it. And all of these up here. Okay. Huff on it. And there you go. Your July 4th is, oops, let me bring this down so you can see it, maybe. There. Your July 4th is highlighted in red. So that's how you can do, get all that red off before it stains it. I did put Versamark on there. Should have if I was going to use red, Mary. Okay, so there you have it. Now again, what you could do is you could, if you're making, say you're making somebody a calendar, now you could make individual month calendars, or you could make and put them each on a separate sheet of cardstock, or you can make, you know, just the one calendar where they can rip it off. But you could highlight all the special days you want them to know about, you know, birthdays, family birthdays, things like that, by different colors. And so they know, oh, July 4th is coming up. Or, you know, July 24th is somebody's birthday, or July 17th. But then you will have everything relatively the same, so when they peel it off, it'll be fine. Anyhow, again, this is for days to remember. I would really get this one. I think it's a great stamp set. All the information to get it is down below. I would appreciate it if you shopped with me for it. So thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Bye-bye.